Hey guys, today I want to share a simple strategy that helped me to earn from $30 to $1,600 trading binary options. But first, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the trading signals and strategies. Also friends, join my helpful Telegram channel where I share the all effective trading strategies and personally answer your all doubts and your questions about the trading. Before we begin, I want to remind you that it's crucial to adhere to my strategies correctly. This way, you will achieve significant profits. The most important thing is that to keep a cool head and not rely on emotions when trading and always conduct the analysis before making the trades. I know you can't wait to get the point. So pay close attention to what I say and do. So hit the like button and let's go. Now we are getting the most interesting part of my video, my 100% effective strategy. It's based on using the awesome oscillator and the RSI indicator. By analyzing these indicators, I decided whether to open a trade or not. When the moving averages intersect from the below to above, it indicates a potential increase in the chart, and conversely. The second indicator helped me determine the direction of the chart movement on a larger scale. Now turn on the candlesticks, set the interval of 1 minute, the trade time is 1 minute, and you can start. I am starting with a sum of $30. And it's from there that we will aim to reach $1,500 plus. And now how we will do that? Just keep watching to find out. We open the Asia Composite Index. We initiate our first trade for a decrease with an amount of $30. We observe a downward trend along with a red chart indicating a downward movement. So these are our signals for a decrease. We are watching how our first trade confidently goes into the plus and waiting for the right movement for the second one. By the way, my all effective strategies are posted in the Telegram channel, and also I will answer you in the private questions on your Telegram channel. So if you're really interested, just join the Telegram channel. For the second trade, we are placing an amount of $59 because profitability in each trade will be approximately 93%. The second trade will also be in the index. We analyze the situation and make a trade for an increase for 1 minute. Analyzing the movement of the chart, we notice a sudden upward spike, which increases our chances of ending up in profit. So as our trade ends, we see that our strategy worked. Our second trade ends in the profit and our balance is now $115. We will now increase our trade amount to $115. So now we are looking for the next suitable situation, and once again we open a trade for the decrease for 1 minute. This index has been in decline for some time now, with occasional small green Japanese candlesticks appearing, but they do not pose a threat. So the trade is completed, another successful trade in our pocket, and we observe our balance is at $222. We are not far from our goal of $1,500 plus. The main thing is that to replicate my strategy and analyze your trades. We increase our trade amount by $222 and look for the next suitable situation. So we have found the good situation as we need. We are opening our trade for a decrease for 1 minute and keep waiting. The chart indicates a downward movement after a sharp rise. Let's not forget to look at the red indicator, which shows us a slow but confident downward movement. The trade has ended. Another successful trade to add our piggy bank, and the balance has increased to $829. Since we opened triple trades all at once with a frequency of the 5 seconds, there were no risk and we could boldly multiply the balance. We increased our trade amount by $829 and look for the next suitable situation. So we have found the situation we are looking for. Staying with this index, we open our trade for a decrease for 1 minute and wait. We notice a reversal in our chart and our price is declining. We see a crossover of the moving averages from top to bottom, and looking at the chart diagram, we see that it has just begun to show a confident downward movement. The trade has ended successfully, adding another accurate trade to our streak, and we observe our balance at $1,600. The main thing is that to replicate my strategy and analyze your trades. Good luck and good profits to everyone. Did you see? There is no magic, just only right strategy. If you really want to earn a huge profits with the strategies, just join my Telegram channel with the referral link so you can get also bonus on the Olymp Trade account. And also, if you really enjoyed, just don't forget to hit and like the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. So see you soon again. Bye bye, my crypto millionaires.